Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a fuse in your Nissan Altima. First, you'll need to locate your vehicle's fuse box diagram, which is usually in the owner's manual or on the fuse box cover itself. Next, gather your tools, a fuse puller, which often comes with the car, and new fuses of the correct amperage. Always make sure your Nissan Altima is completely turned off before you start working with any electrical components for safety. Your Nissan Altima usually has two main fuse box locations. One is typically under the hood, often near the battery or on the driver's side. The second is usually inside the cabin, commonly located under the dashboard on the driver's side or behind the glove compartment. Always refer to your owner's manual for the precise locations and diagrams specific to your Altima model, as these can vary slightly. Once you've located the correct fuse box, use the fuse puller to gently remove the fuse you suspect is blown. Look closely at the fuse. A blown fuse will usually have a broken wire inside or show signs of discoloration. It's crucial to replace it with a new fuse that has the exact same amperage rating. Inserting a fuse with a higher amperage can cause serious electrical damage to your Nissan Altima, so always double-check. After replacing the fuse, turn on your Nissan Altima and test the component that was previously not working to ensure the new fuse has resolved the issue. If everything is functioning correctly, make sure to securely reinstall all fuse box covers to protect the electrical components from dirt and moisture. This simple repair can save you a trip to the mechanic. Also, for a great way to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.